So the high-level overview of a customer value agreement is we want to go from a more of a reactive event-based planning to a proactive. If we have a customer that values training for their employees, high-level training or in-depth, we can customize it to that. If we have a customer that wants just simple, basic overview of what their engine history is, we have a component of that. Or if the customer wants to combine all of it together into one big package, we could create it that way too. One of the reasons why customers should consider signing a CVA directly with Caterpillar or dealer network is we're going to back everything up, making sure we're keeping the customers on the water, running most of the time with very minimal downtime. When the boats are running, customers are generating revenue. And the boat's not running, they're not generating any revenue. We have to really be on top of our game as a Caterpillar dealer and Caterpillar company to make sure the engine is at a top reliability.